Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a dramatic light on face in Photoshop. And also we will dive deeper into using rectangular marquee tool for creating selection, applying curves, and adjusting feather under mask. So let's get started. So here in our document, I prepare here a portrait image of this woman where we are going to apply the dramatic light effect. So the first step to do that is we're going to create a selection. So going on to the toolbar, let's go to the second one, right click on this second tool, and now let's choose rectangular marquee tool. Okay, by the way, any selection can work on this, but I choose this one. So I'm going to create lines here. So for the options on top, I'm going to select on this for adding more samples. So I'm going to create selections like this. There you go. Now, once I already have this kind of selection, so I'm going to the adjustment layer icon. So you click on this and then choose on curves. Okay, now it already creates of its own layer. All right, from under the histogram of curves, I'm going to create a point from here in the middle, and then I'm going to click and drag it, moving here to create a bright effect on those selection that we just made. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Going back, now selected on the mask of these curves. So under the feather, I'm going to increase this one to create a natural effect on our image. So when I did that, it turns out to this. Looking real, isn't it? And then another thing here is we're going to darken the background. All right, so to do that, select on that background layer. I'm going to the adjustment layer once again, and then choose on curves. Okay, now I'm going to create another point in the middle under the histogram, but this time I'm going to click and drag it down to darker this layer. All right, so look at that. And there you go. Uh, And there you go. And if you want to brighten up those lights, so we can go to that curves once again, and then let's increase the point here, okay, to make it brighter. Something like this. I'm okay with this. All right. So there are. So let me show you the before and after. This one is the before, and this one is the after. And that is how to create a dramatic light effect on face in Photoshop.